Everybody, this is Ian, author of Lean Media and the founder of two e-commerce businesses that use Shopify to sell stuff. And today I'm going to be talking about Klaviyo and the definition of Klaviyo flows. If this video helps you, please take a moment to like it and subscribe to my channel. And disclaimer, you're responsible for following relevant terms, and what you see on the screen may be different than what you experience if you try this out on your own, because sometimes things change. So let's get started here, and let's actually go to Klaviyo. So this is a flow on Klaviyo. And if you go to Klaviyo, you'll see on the left side of the screen, there's flows. I've chosen to open one of my flows. It's called Post-Sale Product Review. And what does it say? What else does it say? Post-Sale Product Review and Cross-Sell. Okay. So basically, what a flow is, it's an automated email that they used to be called like autoresponders. That's a common term that you hear. But Klaviyo flow is built with a couple different elements. Basically, you have a trigger. So when someone in this case, when someone buys something, wait 20 days, and then we will send this particular email. How many stars would you give Easy Genie? This is actually a new message. I used to have another message. This is live, so this is running right now. And whenever someone fulfills an order, 20 days later, they're going to get this particular message. And it's effective, this particular type of flow. If you go to my Easy Genie website, let's do that right now. Here's the Easy Genie website. Here's a product that has one review. If you scroll to the bottom of the product page, and this particular person actually responded to that email that I sent, that automated email. And it's important to stress here, these emails are automated. You're not kind of planning to send something out via your Gmail account or something like that. Klaviyo takes care of all that for you. So that's a basic flow. I have some more complicated flows too, and let's go take a look at them. So here's my flow master page. So here's a new one that let's actually do this one, a customer thank you. So one thing you can do with Klaviyo flows is you can set up all these yes/no rules when people do certain things. All right. So when someone places an order, wait a day. When places an order, there's a conditional split. This means that if someone has placed so it's like Klaviyo is asking, did this person place an order, and does it equal 1 over all time? The answer is yes. So it's their first order. You get this thank you message. There's no selling on this. It's just a thank you from me. If the answer is no, the question is, has this person placed an order 2 times over all time? And there's a different email message. Wow, thank you again. And if it's no, then they'll get this message. And this could be the 3rd or the 4th or the 5th. I'm not saying it has to equal 3 or 4 or 5. It's just if the answer is still no to that, it must be this, and we love your dedication to genealogy. So I've set up all these different types of triggers here. You can change them. You can edit them by going into here and changing that. Maybe you can add a new type of conditional split. There's all kinds of things you can do, and they're actually very powerful. Klaviyo fortunately gives you some to start with, some common ones, but you can also build your own, and that's one of the reasons why I like Klaviyo. MailChimp may have something similar to this. When I use MailChimp, it was a different type of setup. I do like Klaviyo's interface, and it does work for me, so that's why I use Klaviyo flows. For more information on how to get the most out of your e-commerce store, go to leanmedia.org, click on video or blog, and I have lots of tips on how to get the most out of tools like this. Also, if you're watching this on YouTube, if you could subscribe and like the video, I would be greatly appreciative. That is, of course, if it helped you out. If it didn't, no problem. Maybe sometime we may meet again. This is Ian Lamont for Lean Media. I'll talk to you again some other time.